Simply C2 for customers needing service for their equipment. It can follow up on service tickets and directly communicate the technician. Simply C2 works in many languages. Open the application and log in through WhatsApp. Tap on the plus sign and register a service request. Go to the equipment selection. Choose the equipment you have a problem with. In the Product tab, select Other. Enter the exact name of the product, and also enter the product article if you know it. Tap Add Equipment. Now describe your problem in detail. The more detailed you are, the more likely you are to find the exact solution. And take a photo of our problem. If the photo is good, tap the check mark. After that, click Submit. And you're done. Now you can fix your equipment. Download the app from Google Play.